Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Website. So we're answering a question out of the Facebook group. Someone wrote in a question, how do I connect a general search with a keyword? Some searches I've made that should connect me to a member do not. For example, if I search for Clarinet, it will not bring up a music store member with that word in it. It's more about me section. Okay, right. There are two types of keyword searches. So you've got the standard keyword search, which is, displayed very similar to this one, or you've got a global keyword search. Let me just show you where they are first of all. If we go into settings and design settings, and we go to homepage, and then we select the search box for call to action, we can see here that at the moment this default website is using the keyword and location search, but you can use the global keyword search as well and location, so you can change it. Now when you go back here and you refresh that, once you've saved it all, it will look very similar to the other one. The only difference is the global keyword search will search everything within a member's profile, where a general keyword search will only search like your titles and names of the business and stuff like that. So it's a bit more limited. In your post, you mentioned that you did a search for a clarinet, and you weren't able to bring up the results that you would have hoped to have brought up. What you can do, as well as using the global search settings, is you can go, if you have the add-on for this, you can go to My Member and Member Categories. And where your member categories are displayed, you can advance on the related keywords section. So these related keywords will go in this section here. So if we go down to the sub-level category, let's see if we've got any music shops in here, music venues, music shop there. So what you can do is, if you're using a music shop, what I would recommend that you do is put in any keywords that are related to, that might trigger or bring up a music shop, so that if I was to do a search for a clarinet, for example, it would bring up music shops. So that's something that you could do to expand and link more keywords to businesses, and therefore the probability of the business coming up when people are doing the search on the front end of the website is going to be more likely, because you're adding keywords that are related to your categories. So you can do that, which is a really good idea to expand sort of on the keyword section. So I hope you found that video useful, and thanks for watching.